Today's video, I'm going to go ahead and address what needs to be addressed on the nature of your mind and the nature of your questioning, your self-questioning and your observatory questioning of reality. I'm not even going to keep this video too long as the sun is setting currently. I have a little bit of light left, so let's get right into it. Questioning lies deep in the root of your seek, your quest, your desire, your seekingness, your quest, your desire for all that is of knowledge, of source, of figuring out and knowing and having the glimpse of the ultimate right in your sight, clear as day. To ask questions constantly every day is to truly be alive, is to truly be awakened to your inner nature, is to seek and to know, to be on this journey and this quest to figure out who it is you are, what it is you are, why it is you are here. To ask questions is to be bigger than your lower needs of survival. The questions you ask are entirely based upon what sort of experiences you've been seeking out the past years, the past months, the childhood even that you've spent. Your questions come from why you believe reality to be a certain way. Your questions come from why do you have the thoughts you have based upon certain situations. Your questions will derive from the challenges you face and have been facing. The questions you ask are to be closer and closer and closer to the unknown, to the unknowable, to that which you cannot know. Because that which you seek to know is also impossible to know. And that's actually how you know it. To know the unknowable is to not know and be okay and surrendered with the fact that you don't know, yet continue to be in the active light consciousness stage of being in that child self that asks these questions. You can have question blockages. You can be blocked from asking questions. You can block yourself from asking those questions. Because one can verbally ask questions, but what about the soul's yearning? Do you wake up every day and ask these questions and have a strong desire for the answer? Is it your mission to find and gravitate the answer to you? Is it something important to you? As we grow older into this sick society, we lose our power and our will to ask questions constantly on a regular basis, giving our power away to our lower pleasures and our lower needs of survival. To reawaken this yearning for questions that you wake up with every day, this instinct that you reprogram yourself to open up again the doors to the channel of questioning. Once you accept the fact that questioning is a part of your everyday routine and a part of your everyday being, you won't think of questions anymore as being stupid, as meaning you being inferior intellectually, as you somehow being lesser because you ask those questions. No, in fact, you will feel empowered, more and heightened to your intellect by asking certain questions. Now, mind you, family, friends, society may have bogged you down spiritually to the point where you feel certain questions are out of the park and you can't ask those questions. But understand that you aren't asking these questions to a teacher or to any outside influence, to your parent, to your spouse, to your friend, to your relative. No, these questions are for you and you alone. Because you question reality, because you question people, places, things, events, you are then tapped in to the unknown. That which you cannot know and can know by not knowing and surrendering to the fact that you do not know. It's simple to get distracted every day by so many pursuits of ours that get us tangled in the material world to sensify and gratify our egos, because we are placed in a civilization that puts the emphasis on this portion of reality. But to truly be embodied is to be both in the material and the spiritual. And to question. From the space of questioning, you are then able to observe these dual realities within you that exist cohesively. And you can seek out these answers, and you can bring about these answers from nothingness. Because these answers and the questions themselves are sourced from nothingness. To know nothingness is to know everything. To be nothing is to be everything. To never be is to be. Up is down, left can be right. As above, so below. You've heard it before. But this is just a friendly reminder today to remind you to question. Question your own. Question theirs. Question the all. Question beingness. Question the what, question the how, question the why, question. One after another, it never ends. There's no need for it to end. At the same time, be above it all. Be the observer. To watch these thoughts and these questions play out within your being. Observe the answers come to you. Observe. Watch as you manifest knowledge before your eyes. Just watch. Observe. This will take time. You won't obviously be reconditioned overnight. It will take time. It will take time. But never forget the power within your own being. It is the only truth that ever was and never will be. Never was. Because you question, you're able to arrive at the conclusion with full surrender, peace. In a relaxed, open mind. So then, when the conclusion unfolds before your eyes, it will not be a surprise. Long before the conclusion ever arrived, in the making of it, it was already there. And even when it arrived, it's as if it never even arrived in the first place. All of your life's problems, all of your questions, all of the answers you seek in your life, in your own life, and in reality itself can be answered with this perspective of mind. All I'm doing is sharing my perspective of mind to you. So this may relate to you. It may bring about and awaken something within you that already exists within all. The all includes you, because you are a part of the all. As I said, I won't keep this video too long. So keep questioning. Bring about this day and the days to come, full of radiant life energy, of this yearning within you that existed within childhood. Resurrected. It's been waiting for you to touch upon it. Use all the wisdom and experience you have gained to embody this.